How AI is transforming the automation industry by comparing traditional versus AI-powered automation. Traditional automation follows fixed rules, has no decision-making, and can't predict errors. AI-powered automation learns from data, makes decisions, and predicts and optimizes performance. How AI works in automation is seen in two main areas: manufacturing and smart warehouses. In manufacturing, it enables predictive maintenance, quality inspection, and automated calibration. In smart warehouses, it provides inventory prediction, robot routing, and human-robot collaboration. These lead to business benefits of AI automation, such as faster decisions, reduced downtime, higher accuracy, lower operational cost, and strong human plus machine collaboration. Let's transform your business intelligently, securely, and digitally with Cybertronics.